I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Not to mention, this is so cute. My mom makes a meals for the week menu. How funny is this? And I'm also very grateful that she still makes dinner every night. Love her. And this is so funny. Look, it says chef special. And she figured out what she's making. Hello everyone, my name is Taylor and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Can you tell? I kind of just woke up. So I kind of just decided that I'm going to pick up the camera and vlog throughout the day because why not? I have been loving watching quarantine vlogs even though people don't leave their houses. But today I'm basically just going to be filming like my life today. I did have a little bit of a headache last night and went to bed with a headache, but I woke up, had a good night's sleep, and decided it's gonna be like a self-care day. So the first thing that I've been doing every morning is obviously getting up and making my bed and eating breakfast, but then I come downstairs and I like to read my devotional for the day, and I'll try to read a chapter of my book if I'm in the mood. Sometimes that's more of a nighttime thing. And I actually just started to journal. Shout out to Amanda because you got me onto journaling. I feel like it's so important to like write about what's happening right now and all the anxiety that it's been filling me up with. I feel like I just need to spill it out on paper. So journaling has been great. I literally just got this one on Amazon. It was like $9. I feel like right now getting a journal is a really good investment and worth the money. The book I've actually been reading is called To Hell with the Hustle. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this book, but I know Kenzie Elizabeth read it and she's been recommending it, so I'm like, okay. So far I'm really enjoying it. It is written by a Christian author, and those are the types of books that I've been into lately because during quarantine, like, a big part of my life right now is getting closer to God, and reading this book has been helping a lot. Along with, like, I think this is the perfect book to read right now because everybody's thinking they have to be overproductive because they have all this time off, but in reality, we don't have to be. I literally have 2 chapters of this book left, so I might finish it today. I'm just gonna do a chapter for now because I have a couple other things that I want to get done. So recently the way that I've been doing like my daily devotional is on my iPad and through the My Bible app. I basically just start like any plan that I find. Right now I'm doing this one, God Owns My Business. It's literally only a 3-day plan, and every time I run out of a plan I just start a new one. Not all of them have to do with business, obviously. Some of them have to do like womanhood, friendship, love, relationships. You can literally find anything on this app. But another thing I wanted to mention or like ask you guys if anybody has like used the Books app. I have like just random books on here. I haven't even read that. Does anyone have any recommendations on like getting used to reading on an iPad? Because I do love just reading a regular book, but I feel like it'd be really helpful if I could just buy books on here instead of ordering them from Amazon. Let me know how you guys feel about that. I'm assuming I could just wear my blue light glasses and be fine, but I don't know if I could get used to that because I do like the feeling of like holding a book and flipping a page. So if any of you guys have read books on your iPad, let me know. I'm still in bed right now and I literally feel crazy right now because I just opened my iPad and looked at my wallpaper, background, whatever, my Apple Watch, my pajama pants, and the blanket behind me. I don't know if my cheetah obsession has become out of control lately. It's bad. It's really bad. But it's so cute. Like, come on. I've had this Apple Watch for like ever and I got it on Amazon. It's like the first Apple Watch band that I got. And then the cheetah obsession just slowly happened afterward. Okay guys, little change of plans. So basically I just threw on a little bit of makeup to kind of make myself feel better. And you know, I'm still wearing comfy clothes. My hair is literally a mess. It needs to be done so badly. But we're just gonna ignore that, it's fine. Today I'm wearing comfy clothes, per usual. I've been living in loungewear, and today it's not that warm out. I usually have been wearing like the biker shorts, but I'm just wearing my oversized Aritzia Crew. I love this thing. It is literally so comfortable, and I think it fits so nicely. I just have these kind of baggy joggers that I got from Princess Polly, and I do have a discount code in the description. So there's kind of been a change of pace for the day. I do have a therapy appointment at 1 o'clock today via Zoom, obviously. And then I just logged into my school website, like, as I was putting on a little bit of makeup, and I'm like, nice! Not really, but one of my professors posted a final that I have to do that's due on Thursday, and today's Tuesday, so that literally gives me 2 days to do it, and I really wasn't planning on doing any schoolwork tomorrow because it's supposed to be nice out and I want to like go outside and enjoy the weather. So it looks like I'm going to be doing a final today, which sucks. But you gotta do what you gotta do. This was gonna be a self-care day where I kind of just color and like relax. I will have time for that once I'm done with all my classes, which is literally gonna be in a week, and that's insane. I'll be done with college forever in a week. So I just went upstairs and made some tea. I've actually really been obsessed with mint green tea, so that's new. But I'm basically gonna drink this while I work on my final. I love my little setup lately because I can have like the document pulled up on my iPad and then a Word doc on here to type. It's been great. I am a little bit sad because this was supposed to be like a self-care vlog, but this is life and this is what happens. But I am looking forward to talking to my therapist, which is about an hour and a half. Usually before I meet with her, I like to like take 10 minutes beforehand and just like recoup my thoughts and really come with a plan. That might be weird, but I really like to know what I want to talk about so I don't waste either of our times. I feel like that's really efficient and I always feel a lot better after my therapy sessions. If you guys want an entirely like separate video on therapy and like why I started going, or even something about anxiety, let me know. I've lived with it my entire life and I think that might be an interesting video to share with you guys. Okay, now I gotta focus on this final. Okay, so for lunch, I'm doing shrimp taco. No, not shrimp taco. Shrimp quesadilla. Because that's what I've been liking lately. I've only made it once, but it was good. We don't really have Mexican style cheese, so I'm just using this. You know, it's cheese. It'll do. Have the fajita things. Cooking the shrimp, and then also sprinkling on this taco seasoning, because that's what we use on our tacos regularly. So we're going to cook the shrimp with the seasoning, take that out, put it into another pan with this. You know what I mean. Not the healthiest, but honestly, I gotta make this in like 10 minutes and eat it kind of fast. Alright, so I got my quesadilla cooking and literally have 4 minutes until my appointment, so that's great, but it's cooking in there. Hopefully it heats up really fast and I can eat it. Yes. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Look at how good this looks. Come on. Shrimp quesadilla. So simple, so quick. I finished with a minute to spare. Now I'm so excited to eat this. That quesadilla was amazing, and I literally had to eat during my therapy session, but it's fine. It just made it that much better. I had a really good session, and she actually recommended that I go outside for a little while after, and I did. So I was outside for like an hour. Insert photo evidence here. Basically, me and my mom just sat outside and she laid out all of her plants that we have that are growing inside just to get some sunlight. So that was a good time, and I'm still not finished with my final. Oh, I think what I'm gonna do is crack open a Spindrift. That sounds like it's an alcoholic beverage. It's not. This is not an alcoholic beverage. But you can make these alcoholic if you wanted to really pour something in it. But we're not here for that. It's 3 o'clock. I'm just gonna enjoy it to get a little refresher. If you guys haven't had one of these, try them. It is literally just fresh squeezed fruit in soda water, sparkling water. I don't know why this was so blurry, but literally 3 calories, 3 grams, or not even, 1 gram of carbs, 0 sugars. Yes, I'm gonna crack this open. Ooh, it's got a little dent down there. I'm gonna enjoy my Spindrift while I finish this final. Alright, so I just finished my final. Thank you. Thank you. And I was gonna do another quiz and like keep working, but I'm like, I don't need to scram it all in today. I really don't need to shove everything into today. I can like spread it out throughout the week so I'm not exhausted by the end of today. So I just threw my hair up in a bun and I think I'm gonna do some power yoga. If you guys don't know what power yoga is, I was doing hot yoga, hot power sweat yoga. Basically what I think it is just faster moving motions, building up strength. I like to call it power yoga because it makes me feel strong. So with that being said, I usually like to put on like, you know, kind of fast moving music. I really could do like a full-on workout right now, but I want to stay in the clothes that I'm in and just sweat a little bit. I'm really comfy, so I don't want to change into gym clothes. So we're just gonna work out in loungewear. I feel like that's what my quarantine has been like. I just literally work out in my pajamas if I have to. So that's the plan. I'm gonna put on music and do my power yoga. Right now I'm tired. Oh my gosh, my eye. I don't know why my eye is so bloodshot. Alright, I don't know what's up with my eye. Like, I'm literally concerned. Can you guys see that? It's like bloodshot. Whatever. I finished my power yoga session. It was really only like 10 to 15 minutes of like power yoga poses. I like to call it power yoga. I know that's weird. But I did that and then I did some stretching and then I did some handstand drills and like stretched out my wrists. If you guys don't know, I'm on a journey to learning how to do a proper handstand. And I've been practicing, well, I've been trying to practice every day. It hasn't been every day, but it's been like a few times throughout the week, which has helped me a lot. I am like really tired all of a sudden. It is almost 5 o'clock. So what I have planned for the rest of the night is I'm probably just gonna chill out and watch some YouTube videos. As you guys saw from my mom's menu earlier, if I put that clip in, she is making chicken pot pies tonight. Well, we're just heating them up. We bought them already, which I'm so excited about because those just hit different. So basically my plan for the rest of the night is watch YouTube videos. I might start editing this video. So yeah, binging YouTube, eating, chilling, maybe FaceTiming some friends. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone is staying healthy, and if you guys are enjoying a vlog style video, let me know in the comments down below. I'll keep doing them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.